Villa Siete, over there. Okay, so ma'am, you are with a group of Ma'am Guzman. Yeah, so ito mga balikbayan po na who came down to Ballesteros just to see themselves for themselves, what's really going on here. So we go back with Ma'am, the retired teacher of the Cagayan State University, Ma'am Zenaida Guzman. Ma'am, okay, after knowing from Norma all about this, so you decided to come down. So with the group, with your company.
According to them, they heard about this.
By radio, by mouth, or probably by TV.
How did you heard
Miss
about
Pamitan.
Miss
Pamitan came.
Miss Ma'am Pamitan, how did you come to know about this strange phenomenon?
No, but the doctor said through the TV.
Through the TV. Because I was telling you a while ago that a certain crew of the ABS-CBN came down. Oh, to gather, by question and answer, they tried to gather informations, And then, upon arrival po dito, how did you feel? The feeling is there. Nandito ka, pinuntahan mo, and then, upon getting down from your vehicle probably, did you feel anything very strange?
Well, according to my
We were just curious. Ayan. A relative also claimed that she has
she hurt her
her feet. When she poured the water, parang ang lamig daw.
Na-feel na hindi yung common coldness of water.
Yes.
Something different.
Something different. She is Miss
She's a minister of the church,
Mrs. Batung.
Luz Batung.
Miss Batung from Piat din po, So you got a good company in coming down. And how about you, Ma'am Zenaida? Upon stepping dito sa film grounds where the incident is happening, did you feel something so strange, or para bang yung sabihin natin na may pagbabago ba dun sa feelings natin?
Well, to me, I felt happy visiting the place and trying to wash my face from the...
So you made use of the water coming out of the hand pump.
Use of the water. So,
and hindi pa ninyo na-feel ni Ma'am Batung na very strange yung coldness?
It's cold.
And would you believe, Ma'am, that since August 8, Monday through morning, through day, through nights, tuloy-tuloy ang pagbomba, hindi naman nagbabago yung flow of water.
It's really...
And it's clear.
Is that what you have taken from? This is a bottle of water from the hand pump. And you intend to bring it home?
Yes, I'll bring one to Canada.
Oh, I see. So you are going to. Will it be easy for you to be bringing a bottle of water?
I said
We can just put it in the check-in luggage.
You cannot hold water.
Or her friend to
So probably when you shall be able to bring to Canada a bottle of water, you will be telling them your experiences right here, actually. Okay.
I'll tell her about the number of people I see getting water.
I see.
And I heard that these people comes all the way
from other places, not only in Cagayan. We have met people who came from other provinces. From Manila, I have interviewed people coming down from Manila just for the purpose of seeing this one for themselves, And I did have some short interview rin sa kanila, and I gathered that may naligo sa kanila after taking a bath. There were some, they claim to be that some illnesses were not that it was cured. Okay. So, ma'am, any word for our listeners who wish to calm down and see for themselves naman ito?
Yeah. I
Uh,
will.
yes, you go ahead, ma'am. Do you have
Namatay
any,
na si
say,
Manong
some sort of a
Manuel.
parting words for our viewers?
Well, when I reach Canada, I
Uh-uh.
will inform them that there are a lot of people claiming to be, they claim to have been here.
Mm.
Well, to me, I don't know if, yeah,
But
if
definitely you will be
yeah,
telling them.
yeah, I'll tell people that I have seen with my two eyes the well that does
Uh-huh.
not stop you. I mean, you have to pump, isn't that?
No, yeah. It's not a spring, but it's a hand
Yeah,
pump.
it's not a spring, hand pump, and I see a lot of people now
Uh-huh.
having their shower or
Oh,
whatever.
oh, oh.
Yeah.
Eh, it's a very unholy hour, so
Yeah.
medyo
12.
kakaunti lang
Ayun.
tao. Pero
Yeah.
mamayang hapon po when the weather seems to be very friendly, they
But
will be
how
trooping in.
about those who are pumping? How is that?
Well, these
They
are
are
people who are so very much willing to
sacrifice.
sacrifice and give their physical assistance. We usually have to have people stay here day in and day out because we don't want the image to be tampered. We just don't know.
Yeah.
Baka may mga
Yeah,
people na
yeah.
gusto mag-tamper
Yeah,
niyan.
correct.
So definitely it will be all gone to waste pag na-tamper na yan.
Somebody should sleep here.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
Better.
we saw to it na may tao palagi. It's always manned by those people who really are
Maybe
sacrificing.
there are some who are willing to go on shift, make a shift.
We do it that. Mayroon na po yung night shift, may day shift. So, not in a single moment na nawawalan po ng nagmaman yan. So we have to thank you, Ma'am Zenaida
You're
Guzman,
welcome.
for that personal opinion
Experience.
that you have given, and probably our listeners and viewers now all over the world will come to know that it's not only the people here directly being interviewed, but people also coming all the way from other places. Particularly na yung galing din sa abroad, tulad ni Ma'am Lucete, si Ma'am Guzman, and you, Ma'am. Thank you so much for that interview. If you find time, please view it on your YouTube, internet.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am.
Oh, you're welcome.